Chapter number 13. Why do we fall ill? When we do this exercise, we realize that health and disease in human community are very complex issues. Okay, we know it very well that in a human beings, okay, so health communities of a health related to health are very common, because of which we can see that there is a many diseases can be spread in our body with many interconnected causes. Okay, the connection of a causes are interconnected with each other. We also realize that the idea of what health and disease means are themselves very complicated. When we ask what causes disease and how we prevent them, we have to begin by asking what this notion means. Okay, first of all, we have to study that how the disease can be spread. Okay, that can be performed by this way. That many of the causes are there. Okay, there are many symptoms due to which we can see that there is a spread of a disease in our body. Okay. We have seen that cells are the basic unit of living beings. Cells are made of a variety of chemical substances, protein, carbohydrate, fat or lipids, and so on. Okay, we know it very well that cells are made up of many components. Which of them? That protein, carbohydrate, fat and lipid. Okay, all these are the one of the mineral which are necessary, chemical mineral, or we say that essential. All these are essential for sustaining life as well as growth. Although the picture look quite static, in reality, the living cell is the dynamic place. Something or the other is always happening. Okay, some of them are happening one by one. Cells move from one place to place. Okay, we know it well that cells are moving from place to place. Even in a cell that do not move, there is a repair going on. Okay, if the cells are not moving, then repair will be going on that particular body. Even in a cell that do not move, new cells are being made. Okay, new cells are forming one by one. If the cells are not moving, then repair is going on that particular organ or tissue. New cells are being made in our organ or tissue. New cells are made in our organs and tissue. There are various specialized activity going on. The heart is beating, the lungs are breathing. Okay, for example, lungs, heart. Okay, both of them are working properly. Okay, heart work to beat and lungs work for breathe. The kidney. Okay, the kidney is filtering. What is the work of kidney? Kidney is filtering urine. The brain is thinking. Okay, the brain is thinking, as well as all these activity are interconnected. Okay, just now we have studied that all of them are interconnected with each other. Okay, if we talk about brain, kidney, lungs, okay, all of them are interconnected with each other. Okay, same way brain are connected for thinking. All this activity. Okay, for example, if the kidney are not filtering urine, poisonous substance will accumulate. If the kidney do not filter properly, okay, urine, poisonous substance will accumulate, due to which poisonous substance will be accumulated. Under such condition, the brain will not be able to think properly, due to which brain will not work properly. For all this interconnected activity, energy and raw material are needed from outside the body. From the outside the body, we need energy as well as raw material, which are very necessary. Okay, for this body, sustaining a material from the body. Okay, raw material, all these things, energy as well as activity we need, due to which we get a proper energy. In other words, food is necessity for cell and tissue function. Anything that prevents proper functioning of cell and tissue will lead to a lack of proper activity of a body. Okay, anything that prevent proper functioning in a cell. Okay, in a cell, if the proper function is going on, what that lack of proper activity of a body, due to which it is in this context that we will now look a notion of a health and disease. Okay, now we will see the notion and the of a health and diseases, okay, which are very necessary. Now, the health and its failure. Okay, now we will see about the health and its failure. The significance of a health. We have heard the word health used quite frequently all around us. Okay, in all around us, we know it very well that health is quite a useful word, okay, which are totally related to a body. We use it ourselves as well when we say things like my grandmother health is not good. My grandmother health is not good. Okay, if we talk that my grandmother health is not good, then we say that something related to a health. Our teacher used it when they scold us saying this is not a healthy attitude. Okay, as well as teacher is also using this word by saying that this is not a proper attitude of to behave. Okay. What does the word health means? Okay, now what is the proper word of a health? Okay, that we will discuss it. Now, if we think about it, if we think about it, if we think about it, we realize that it always implies is the idea of being well. We can think of this well-being as effective functioning. For our grandmother, being able to go out to the market or to visit the neighbor is being health. Okay, that if the grandmother is can able to go to a market as well as visit to a neighbor, okay, then we say that our grandmother is being well. Why? Because he can able to move from one place to another as well as he can easily, okay, can talk with the neighbor as well as visit to a neighbor. Okay, so if the health is good, then and only then this can be seen. And not being able to do such thing is poor health. Okay, if she can't able to do, then we say that it is a poor health. Being interested in following the teaching in the classroom so that we can understand the world is called healthy attitude. Okay, teaching in a classroom. Okay, if we interested in following the teaching in a classroom, okay, we can understand the world is called healthy attitude. Okay, if the teacher is teaching a particular topic and if you are focusing on that, then we say that the attitude is healthy. While not being interested is called opposite. Opposite means what? Not unhealthy attitude. Okay, that we say it as unhealthy attitude. While not being interested is a called opposite. Health is therefore a state of being well enough to function well physically, mentally and socially. So, health is related to a function of a physically, mentally and socially. Okay, so it is known as healthy attitude. Personal and community issue both matter for health. For health, both the community issue are health. Which, if the health means a state of a physical, mental, and social well-being, it cannot be something that each one of us can achieve entirely on our own. Okay, it is not depend on our us. It is totally depends on the body. Okay, so it is not under control of us. Okay. The health of all organisms will depend on their surrounding or their environment. So, health is totally depend on organism which are depend on surrounding. Okay. In the surrounding and environment, whatever will be the atmosphere that will affect the health. If it is pure and good, then health cannot be affected. But if it is poor, then health can be affected and due to which disease can be seen. And due to which we can see that we get a illness. The environment includes the physical environment. So, for example, health is a risk in a cyclone in many ways. Okay. In a cyclone also we can see that health can be affected. But even more importantly, human beings live in a society. Our social environment, therefore, is an important factor in our individual health. We live in villages, town, or city. In such places, even our physical environment is decided by our social environment. Okay? Physical environment is also decided by our social environment. Okay? So, consider what will happen if no agency is ensuring that garbage is collected or disposed. Okay? If the particular agency is not ensuring that the garbage is corrected or disposed. Okay, just now in Bhavnagar we can see that BMC, okay, which BMC Bhavnagar Municipal Corporation, okay, that is working for it, okay, that is working for it and doing a good job for our city, okay, and making our city clean, okay, that is very important agency, okay, and what will happen, okay, if no one take responsibility for clearing the drain as well as ensuring that water does not collect in the street or open spaces. Okay. If the clear water, okay, water cannot be cleaned or drained, okay, drainage system are open, then what will be there due to which water get collected and from that different type of disease can be spread in the whole over the area. So, if there is a great deal of garbage thrown in our street or if there is an open drain water drying statement around where we live, the possibility of poor health increases. Okay, due to which we can see that poor health get increased. Possibility of poor health. Okay, poor health possibility get increased due to which that will affect our body and our health will be spoiled. Therefore, public cleanliness is important for individual health. Okay. So, it is very important for public cleanliness, okay, for our health. We need food for health and this food will have to be earned by doing work. We know it very well that we need a food for good health. Okay. If we are getting a good food, then our health will be well. Okay. And for the food, we have to work hard. For this, the opportunity to do work has to be available, and due to which we need that some of the opportunities should be there for doing work. Then and only then it can be possible. Good economic condition and jobs are therefore need for individual health. Okay. So, for that economic condition and good job are essential for individual health. For the health, these two are very necessary. Okay. If we get opportunity, then and only we can able to work, and if we can work, then and only then we get a proper amount of food. We need to be happy in order to truly healthy. Okay, we will be happy if we are getting truly healthy, and if we mistreat each other and afraid of each other, we cannot be happy or healthy. If we are mistreating and afraiding each other, then we can't able to happy and healthy. Social equality and harmony are therefore necessary for individual health. Okay, for that social equality and harmony are very necessary for individual health. We can think of many other such examples for connection between community issue and individual issue. Okay. For that, we will discuss that there are many examples which are interconnected with each other. For example, community issue or individual health. Okay, both are interconnected with each other. Now, distinctions between distinction means what? Distinctions means difference between healthy and disease free. Okay. If this is what we mean by health, what do we mean by disease? If this is the health, then what about the disease? The word is actually self-explanatory. The word is self-explanatory. We can think of it as disease. Okay? We can think it as a disease. Disturbed is. Okay, disturbed and kya? Our body get disturbed because of afraiding, or because of the afraiding we see that our body get disturbed. Disease in other words literally means being uncomfortable. Disease means what? Uncomfortable can be seen in our body. Okay, in our body we can see that there is not a proper thing going on. Okay, we are getting some tiredness in our body. okay, that we say it as a disturbance in our body. Disease, in other words, returning means being uncomfortable. Okay, so that is uncomfortable can be seen on our body. However, the word is used in a more limited meaning. We talk of disease when we can find a specific and particular cause for discomfort. Okay, whenever we are talking, okay, about the disease, there is a specific and particular cause of discomfort. Discomfort means what? Can't able to easily available, and we are getting some tiredness in our body. This we say it as a discomfortable. Can't able to comfortable. Okay, can't feel so uncomfortable in different way. This does not mean that we have to know the absolute final causes. Okay, from this we can't able to say that which disease we have in our body. These are some of the characteristics which are seen. Okay, but this is not a proper symptoms. Okay, this is not said to be symptom, but this is the some of the things which are going on in our body and we are feeling in our body. We can say that someone is suffering from diarrhea without knowing exactly what has caused the loose motion. Okay, if we say that diarrhea, okay, then how for diarrhea there is a symptom of loose motion. So from that we can say that that body have a diarrhea by seeing a symptom of loose motion. We can now easily see that it is possible to be a poor health without actually suffering from the particular disease. Okay. So from that we can see that the health get poor, okay, because of this symptom. Simply not being disease is not the same as being healthy. Okay, not being disease is not the same as being healthy. Okay, if we are not have a disease, then we can't say that our body is healthy. Good health for a dancer may means being able to stretch his body into different but graceful position. Okay, if we talk about the dancer, okay, when we consider that that dancer have a good health, when he or she can able to stretch his body, okay, in all the direction and flexibly, okay, then and only then we can say that a dancer have a good health. Okay, if the dancer can able to stretch his body in all the direction and flexibly, okay, then and only then we can say that a dancer have a good health. On the other hand, good health for a musician may means have enough breathing capacity in his or her lungs to control the notes from his or her throat. If we talk about the musician, okay, then when we say that that musician have a good health, when he or she or a musician can able to breathe its capacity in his lung to control the notes from his or her throat. Okay, so if the musician can able to control his breath and relax his breath on the depending on the fruit or depending on the notes, okay, then and only then we can say that musician have a good health. Okay. So for the different characteristic there is a different condition for a good health. Okay, so to have the opportunity to realize the unique potential in all of us is also necessary for real life. Okay, for the potential is also necessary. So we can be in poor health without there being a simple cause in the form of identifiable disease, okay, which can be identified, okay, which symptom can be identified easily. This is the reason why when we think about the healthy, we think about society and community. Okay, when we can say that we are healthy, that at that time we are thinking about society and community. On the other hand, when we think about the disease, we think about individual sufferer. Okay, when we think about the disease, at that time we can see the how we have to suffer. Okay, so that was the proper introduction of a disease. Now, disease and its causes. What does disease look like? Okay, now we have talked about disease, but how the disease is look? Okay, that we will listen. Let us now think a little more about the diseases. In the first place, how do we know that there is a disease? In other words, how do we know that there is something wrong with the body? Okay, now how we can say that something is wrong in our body? There are many tissue in the body, as we have seen in chapter 6. In chapter 6 we have already seen there are many tissue. This tissue make us physiological system or organ system that carry out body function. Okay, these are all the tissue which are working for the particular organ, and in that organ only the particular tissue are placed, and tissue will work for working a body. Each of the organ system has specific organ as its part, and it has a particular function. Okay, so all of them have a particular function towards their organ. Okay, all the organ work differently from each other, and all of them have a tissue that are working in it. Okay, so if the tissue can't able to work or function properly, okay, then that organ get damaged or can't able to work properly, through which we can estimate that in that part or that organ there is a unnecessity or not working properly, okay, due to which the body get affected. So the digestive system has the stomach and intestine. For the digest we know that there is a stomach and intestine, okay, that are working for digestion, and it help to digest food taken in from outside the body. Okay, that can be taken from the outside the body. Musculoskeletal system means what? Which are made from the muscles and skeleton. Skeleton means bone. Okay, the muscles, you know it very well, which is made up of bone and muscle. Okay, musculoskeletal system means which is made from the bones and muscle. That we say it is a musculoskeleton. Hold the body part together and help the body move, and due to which we can see that body can work properly. When there is a disease, either the functioning of the appearance of one or more system of the body will change for the worse. Okay? Whenever we are having a disease, our body structure gets changed. Okay? Due to which appearance also changes. Okay? Through which we can say that the body get changes due to the disease. This change give rise to the symptoms and sign of disease. Okay? These changes in our body give a rise to a symptom. Some of the symptoms can be seen in our body or the sign of a disease. Okay? We say that there is a presence of a particular disease. That is the sign of a disease. Okay? So, symptoms of a disease are the thing we feel as a wrong. Symptom is that in our body we feel wrong. Okay? So, that was the clue. Okay? That was the clue of presence of a disease. Okay? That is the clue that there is a presence of a particular disease, because we are feeling wrong and tiredness. So we have a headache. Okay, for example, we are having a headache. Okay, that is also one type of symptom. We have cough, we have loose motion, we have a wound with a bruise. These all are the symptoms. Okay, all these are the one of the symptoms which are very important for cluing that disease. Okay, that we have a disease that can be searched by all the symptoms. Okay. So it is very important for getting a disease name as clue. This indicates that there is maybe a disease, but they don't indicate that disease is. Okay, they say that there is a presence of disease, but which of them that can be said by different phenomena. For example, a headache may means just examine stress or very well day. Okay, if we are getting a very lot of stress, then we get a headache. At that time our head get pain. Okay, so we say it as a headache. It may means meningitis or any one of the dozen different diseases. Okay, it also means that some of the disease. Okay, different disease may be present. Sign of the disease are what physician will look for on the basis of their symptom. Okay, depending on their symptom, what physician will say that this body have this type of disease. Sign will give a little more defined indication of a presence of a particular disease. Okay. Some of the particular disease may be present. Okay. That is also one type of sign. Physician will also get laboratory tests done to pinpoint the disease further. Okay. Physician say that you have to give a particular report, okay, through which, okay, physician will get. Physician means what? A doctor which are working, okay, for the disease.